here, Sibley, look.
See? You have to take off the sticker.
Can you tear through the sticker?
No. What does that say?
That says priority mail and it says fragile. What does fragile mean?
Fragile means there's something fragile in there.
Oh, Sibley, that's twice now.
Oh, a
Sibley,
card!
can you open this?
Card for me!
See what Noah's doing? Oh, wow. Careful. Okay, let's see. How does this work?
Open this.
It says press here.
Oh.
That skeleton's dancing now. Hey, Sibley, let's open yours.
No.
Can you open yours? Can you do that? Right there and there. So you leave this on here because it makes it make that noise. Let's see what's inside. What is it? Is there something else inside? No, not there. Oh, here. Let's watch Sibley. There you go. It says, get down and boogie. Let's just keep that part on, okay? Look, watch Sibley.
Get down and boogie.
Do you want to help Sibley?
Yeah, I want to help Sibley. Let me help you. You got the same one I made.
Oh, Sibley, look. Here. She says, well, if they're the same, then. Hold on, let's pull this back
Wait,
over.
look.
Look, there's yours. Now, this is, see that button? Sibley, see right there? Right there.
Did someone get your package?
No, she just got the same kind of envelope as you. Don't open.
Now Sibley. What does it get?
Get down and boogie.
Get down and
Okay, now we're going to tape that on. Keep it protected, I think. No, there we go.
Get down and boogie.
Oh, it goes there. There we go. What do you think about that? Sibley, can you dance? Try it again, okay?
Get down and boogie.
There you go. Okay, Sibley, can you dance? Can you dance? No, don't take that part off. Oh, you want to touch it, don't you?
So I always tell you about school?
Okay, here, hold on, don't pull. Tell me about school today, Noah. Look at me and tell me. Tell Banna about school today.
Well, we walked in there, and we made a muffin,
Okay. What else did you make?
and we made pumpkins. That's pretty!
Did you have fun today at school?
Yes,
Okay.
0.
0 fun. That's no fun. Did you mean you had 100 fun?
Yeah.
Are you going to go back next time? When we come back from Texas?